Hello, and welcome to Getting Going with Azure with Datagriff. And today we're going to be creating a key vault. Now, Key Vault is a really powerful tool in Azure and it allows us to store lots of secrets and configuration in a single place. So what we're going to do is navigate to portal.azure.com. Once there, we're going to click the little hamburger up in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Go to All Services. We're going to search for Key Vault. We're going to click Key Vault. Then we're going to click Create. Now we're on the basic configuration pane for our Key Vault. We're going to make sure we've picked the right subscription. And for me, I'm going to pick my Datagriff teaching one. We're going to create a new resource group. And I'm just going to call this My KV for Key Vault and then RG for resource group. I'm going to click OK. For the Key Vault name, I'm just going to call this My Key Vault or My KV -EUN because that's the location that I'm going to store it in North Europe. And then I'm going to postfix this with Griff, just my name, just to make sure it's globally unique because Key Vaults do need to be globally unique. Just to note, Key Vaults names are 24 characters long, so you'll have to stay within that limit. The region, I'm going to pick one close to me. And as I just said, I'm going to pick North Europe. Pricing tier, I'm going to leave as standard. If we go then to access policy, I'm going to leave that as it is for now, with me having all powers over this Key Vault. I'm going to click networking, and I'm going to leave it as a public endpoint. I'm going to leave the tags as they are, as we're just doing this quick. I'm going to review and create. It's going to run the validation. So the validation is passed, and we can check all our configuration details just by scrolling down and having a look. Then we click Create. This then submits the deployment to Azure, and we just wait for this for a couple of minutes to complete. Excellent. Our Key Vault is now completed, so we can go to that resource, and here we have our new Key Vault. And then we can see here, this is the Vault URI. If we scroll down onto Properties on the left-hand side, you see it's got lots of useful information here. So we've got the Vault URI, and that's the DNS name basically that's going to allow applications to connect to this via the REST API. You've got the resource ID as well. If we go back to Overview, and then what we're going to do, we're going to add a secret. So we click Secrets on the left-hand side, and we're going to click Generate Import, and we're just going to call it My App Password, and then we're going to enter in a secret. So again, that can be a basic password for this example, but really want to make it quite secure. We're going to leave it enabled. I'm going to click Create. So we've got our new secret now stored in Key Vault, and if we click on that, you can see we've got the current version. And if we click on that again, so we've got the secret identifier, and we can see that's the unique URL for this particular secret that allows our applications and things to reference without actually knowing the password. This is enabled, and then if we want, we can either copy that secret or we can actually show it as well because we've got the permissions currently to do that. So we click Show Secret Value, and there it is. There's my password. Again, not the strongest, but I recommend in your applications that you'd have something far stronger than that. But it does mean that the application doesn't need to know about it. It just needs to reference it via this secret identifier. So we're going to go back to our Key Vault. I'm going to click Overview, and we're going to go back up to the resource group. And as we don't need this anymore, we're just going to do a little cleanup and delete this resource group. Grab the name, type that in, and then delete. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this edition of Getting Going with Azure with Datagriff. I can't stress to you enough how important and really powerful Key Vault can be, and I hope to see you next time on Getting Going with Azure with Datagriff. Thank you.